Hello, today we will guide you through how to create and format a line graph in Google Sheets from scratch. To begin, open your Google Sheets file so you are on the main spreadsheet screen. This is where your data should already be visible and ready to use. Before creating any chart, it is important to make sure you are working from the correct table or sample data, since the graph will be built directly from whatever cells you choose. Next, highlight the sample data that you want to include in the chart. Be careful to select all of the relevant rows and columns, including any labels that describe the information. These labels help Google Sheets understand how to organize the chart, and they can also be used for the horizontal axis or the chart legend. Taking a moment here to confirm your selection can save time later and help avoid formatting issues. Once your data is selected, move to the menu at the top of the page and click Insert. This menu contains the tools for adding different elements to your spreadsheet, including charts. After opening Insert, choose Chart. Google Sheets will immediately create a chart based on the selected data and place it into the sheet for you. At this point, the chart may not appear as a line graph yet, and that is completely normal. Google Sheets often chooses a chart type automatically based on the data it detects. To change it, look toward the upper right area of the Chart Editor panel and click the Chart Type dropdown. This menu lets you switch between different visual formats, such as bar charts, pie charts, and line charts. From the chart type options, select Line Chart. As soon as you click it, the chart will update to display your data as a line graph. This type of chart is especially useful for showing changes over time, trends, or patterns across a sequence of values. It gives a clean visual that makes it easier to compare movement from one point to the next. After selecting the line chart, take a quick look at the finished graph to make sure it reflects your data the way you expect. If something looks off, the most common cause is the original selection range, so it may help to double-check the cells you highlighted earlier. And that's it. You've created and formatted a line graph in Google Sheets from scratch using your selected data, the Insert menu, and the chart type settings. Once you are comfortable with this process, making charts becomes much faster and easier each time.